Garuda Express, an international courier service.
College at Secunderabad. I came here to sing a prayer song. हंसयुक्त विमानचारिणी अंबिके जगदंबिके हंसयुक्त विमानचारिणी अंबिके जगदंबिके शारदे जय शारदे वाग्विलासिनी शारदे शारदे जय शारदे वाग्विलासिनी शारदे शारदे जय शारदे वेदमाता शारदे शारदे जय शारदे वेदमाता शारदे वेदमाता शारदे हंसयुक्त विमान चारिणी अंबिके जगदंबिके हंसयुक्त विमानचारिणी अंबिके जगदंबिके शारदे जय शारदे विद्यारूपिणी शारदे शारदे जय शारदे विद्यारूपिणी शारदे शारदे जय शारदे वीणवाहिनी शारदे शारदे जय शारदे वीणवाहिनी शारदे वीणवाहिनी शारदे हंसयुक्त
launched by Geeta Bhaskar. I am overwhelmed by the achievements of my daughter. Although she has suffered many ups and downs in life, she stood up high against all odds with the blessings of my son-in-law, Sri Uday Bhaskar. From above and the love and support from her near and dear ones, she has now become an inspiration for many. I hope this new venture turns out to be a good success and grand success in future. May God always bless her with her good health, long life, wealthy and prosperity. Thank you all.
Harilu Nandiputta, I would love to stay in this kind of functions. And congratulations, Geeta Bhaskar garu. ఏం చెప్పాలి నేను త్రూఅవుట్ ద షూట్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అక్కడక్కడ డేట్స్ కానీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 year ట్రావెల్ చేసినట్టున్నాం. వెనెవర్ ఐ స్పోక్ డ్యూరింగ్ షూట్ ఆమె ఏం టీచ్ చేస్తుంది, ఏమి తను ఏంటి అని చెప్పే లోపలే నా మైండ్ అంటే రేపు రాగలుగుతారా, మీరు ఫ్రీ అవుతారా, ఇదే ఉందన్నమాట. ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఐ కుడెంట్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు హర్ ఆర్ నో హర్ టూ మచ్, బట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ న్యూ చాలాసార్లు షీ గేవ్ మీ అ కార్డ్. ఏదైనా ఎప్పుడు షూటింగ్ వచ్చినా షీ యూస్ టు కమ్ విత్ సంథింగ్, సమ్ ప్రిపరేషన్, ఏదో ఇది చేశానని యూనిట్ అందరికి ఇచ్చేవారు. మోస్ట్ లవబుల్, వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ అత్తమ్మ మాకు. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్. అండ్ నిజంగా ఐఎమ్ రియలీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు యూ. ఫిదాకి. నౌ కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు your book Destiny's Child. నేనేం చూడలేదు. యూ షుడ్ గివెన్ మీ ఎర్లియర్ ఆర్ హ్యాడ్ ద టైమ్, నేను చదివి మాట్లాడేవాడిని. బట్ ఐ రెడ్ ద కోట్ ఆఫ్ జిబ్రాన్, నాకు తెలుసు. సో ఐఎమ్ గెస్సింగ్ ద కంటెంట్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ రియలీ నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ది అవర్ అనమాట. అంటే చిల్డ్రన్ డోంట్ బిలాంగ్ టు అస్ ఆర్ వీ డోంట్ ఓన్ దెమ్, వీ కాంట్ pressure them or we can't decide their destinies ani. If that is the content, I think this is a very very valuable book. Nenu kuda chaala I'm looking for some guidance to actually teach my children also. Ante kid 9th class చదువుతున్న అమ్మాయి, 6th class చదువుతున్న అబ్బాయి ఉన్నారు నాకు. బట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో లుకింగ్ అంటే దిస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ కానీ మనం నేర్పుతున్న విధానాలు కానీ ఐ థింక్ ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ రియలీ రెస్ట్లెస్. వీ నీడ్ ప్రాపర్ డైరెక్షన్. నేను తప్పకుండా చదువుతాను ఈ బుక్. ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఇట్ టు మై వైఫ్, ఐ విల్ రీడ్. అండ్ దెన్ మా కిడ్స్ కూడా చదువుతారేమో. ఐఎమ్ గెస్సింగ్ ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ వాల్యుబుల్ బుక్. మీరు నాట్ ఓన్లీ టీచింగ్, యాక్టింగ్, రైటింగ్ అండ్ దెన్ అండ్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్లీ ఈ బుక్ మీరు రాశారంటే దానికి ప్రాబ్లీ ఎండార్స్మెంట్ అంటే యువర్ సన్ మేబీ. అంటే తను అంత ఎలిజిబుల్ సన్ని కన్నారు కాబట్టి యువర్ రేజింగ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ ఆర్ హౌ యూ రేజ్ హిమ్ ప్రాబ్లీ should be a direction to all mothers అని అనుకుంటున్నా. సో thank you, and I'll read the book and then maybe talk later also, but congratulations ma'am.
Otherwise she would have written another book. So I'll give her time for that. And also she's written a lot about upbringing, and you've cleverly happy, very social man, but he was very very angry as well. A lot of you know, a lot of you are laughing because you know. And my cousin, he was decided to play football after lunch, and my dad used to sleep nicely during that time. I was, since you can see that I was never interested in sports, all fat kids are always goal. And when it did, I turned around and my father was there with his lungi. And I know then the real truth of the book would be my life according to my wife. That's another book. But we'll continue, and I would like Gopal Tatya to say a few words, please.
Talk. Yeah, always. 82, I am young enough. It's one of the very rare occasions where one at this age, I feel proud of Geeta. I read the whole book yesterday. Unlike I can tell you, I am a doctor by profession. Professionally, I am advising of reading the book, that it's a book to be read by all would-be mothers and how their experience is. I am sure Geeta has given a new light to the whole concept of motherhood. You will all be surprised to know, I used to know Geeta since her marriage. She's a very talented girl, artistic, and with talented in every aspect of the life. I didn't know this aspect, that she can write a very good writing about all by itself is almost epilogue and prologue of the life of a woman. I am sure once you go through it, you will realize what is supreme in the world is motherhood. That is very few people realize it. And also I can tell you, there is no substitute for a mother in the world. There is no other way a mother can be substituted. Anybody else can be substituted, but not mother. And that is, if you read this book, you will realize that how true it is, how innate feeling of a woman would be, not just marriage and getting children. Question is the motherhood itself. If you want to symbolize it most harmonious and blended with a lot of life as it is. And you see, when I hear about Tarun Bhaskar and when I heard about it, and I saw, I'm fortunate to know Uday Bhaskar, his father. Probably in this crowd, I can say that I know him longest than anybody else in the crowd because I am the oldest in the family from Uday Bhaskar's side. I can tell you, Uday Bhaskar and Geeta combined together, no surprise that Tarun is born. That's it. That's the life itself. The very fact that, the message in the book is simple. It is simple to everybody who can know about what life is, that don't drive your children under pressure. Leave them to their own. They'll blossom themselves. And here is the example that Tarun has nothing to do with the film industry, nothing to do with the acting, nothing to do with anything, but I can tell you, his father, Uday Bhaskar, and his brother, the elder brother of Vinay, that is Pranay Bhaskar, when we were all in small schools, from Warangal they used to come here. My father was very much interested in education, and he used to like boys and girls who are bright in the studies. So these two were bright kids from Warangal. Whenever they used to come, that is one late Pranay, he is no more, but Uday Bhaskar is no more, but these two used to come. They used to sit with my father. I was to tell him, recite some poems. You won't believe at the age of 3 or 4 or 5 or 10, less than 10, they used to dramatize the whole picture of any drama they enacted. They memorized the whole dialogue of various acting. That showed that their talent inborn in them. And I am sure this family is full of talents right from the birth. It's no surprise. I am not surprised that Tarun has become such a great man, and also a mark made in the film land for the first time entered. Our families are middle class families. We don't think much more about this film land at all, neither acting nor anybody. He is the first family who has come out, and then I attended his function when they organized in Telugu University, that first director, first film, and he got national award. For this, I think is very, very exemplary and proudly. I don't think anybody can claim of this type of life. I am sure, Tarun, with you, all our good wishes, all families. I am eldest from your side. I think I am sure, as you think Tata is here from your side, all of us wish you, make us more proud. And the best thing I tell you what has happened in the function is this. Tarun believes in camaraderie and team. On that day when selection given to him as the best actor, young and first time, you know what he had with him in the dais, and also all the people his whole team. I am a nephrologist, and when I did first kidney transplant in the country, first time in a government hospital, I didn't do anything except myself and all my team, either including the staff nurses, including doctors, everybody, because that's it, that's spirit. Life should go on as a team, not as I. If you ask me, any of the things what you get good and bad is, you should remove the word I, because we. Credit should always go to we, the teamwork. And he also not only felicitated the teammates, his parents also. This goes to make the message is very clear that parents are equally important in everybody's life. Second comes your teachers. The third comes institutions. I believe in these three things because if you don't respect your parents, whatever you may be, President of India, President of country, world, but doesn't matter, but you must first respect your parents. Second is your own teachers. I see one of them is sitting here as a teacher from the school, and those people have brought us up whatever we are today. And lastly, the institutions, whether it is a small school in a village or a big medical college, you must pay, all of us should pay respect to that institution and do whatever we can do pay back. If, for example, I can tell you, as MBBS or MD, I hardly paid anything. My fusion fee was hardly about few hundreds. Now it is in thousands and lakhs. That's why I am telling you, pay back if you can to all the institutions wherever what you are today. I strongly believe that what I am today is only because of my teachers. First, my parents, my teachers, the institutions I belong to, whether it is small school or medical college. I can tell you this message is very clear, and Geeta has written. I am proud of her that I know her talents in different ways. I didn't know she can write a good book. I read it to Geeta yesterday. I can tell you that you made me proud than what we were earlier. So my best wishes to you, many more ranking. And I was told, I am subject confirmation. She started a book when her husband was alive. You will also know, Uday Bhaskar is one of the rare persons in our family. He is the one who is out of the way. He doesn't follow the conventions. He is a unconventional man because he believes that what he says is right, and he will oppose anybody who does wrong. You would know one thing very many people don't know about it. He is the first direct recruit after engineering as assistant engineer in direct group from PSC. But we could continue more than 5-10 years because, as you know, PWD is, As you know, the word plunder without danger. He saw corruption, and I can tell you today, everybody sitting here and outside all over the world, people talk about corruption. This boy, as a young engineer who could have made his life, today if he had been alive, he had been minimum chief engineer would have been there. But then he couldn't swallow the corruption. He stayed only a few years, and then along with him, he made a team of himself. All of them resigned on the cause of corruption because he couldn't stop it. That's it. That's the bane. Bane is that in life, there are 1% of buskers, 1% of citizens in India today.
JSC wallet lo petti itla చూపించిన. She thought it was full of money and she said okay. So these are useful upbringing tips that I'm giving you. Now I would like Vinay Chidana to say a few words.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వాస్తవంగా ఆథర్ గారిని మా వదిన గారిని అడిగిన వాట్ ఈస్ ది ప్రోగ్రామ్, ఈ బుక్ కంటెంట్ ఏంటంటే ఏం చెప్పలేదు. ఐఎమ్ బిట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్. బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేసిన తర్వాత అక్కడక్కడ ఒక 2 పేజీలు తిరిగేస్తుంటే మా అన్న గుర్తొస్తుంది. మా అన్నతో ఉన్నటువంటి అనుబంధం గుర్తొస్తుంది. ఏదేమైనప్పటికీ ఈ పుస్తకం సరైన సమయంలో, సరైన పద్ధతిలో, సరైన సమాజం కోసం రాసినట్టు భావిస్తున్నాను. రాసినటువంటి మా వదినకు, గీత గారికి, వేదికపై ఆసీనులైనటువంటి మా మామగారికి డాక్టర్ గోపాల్ కిషన్ గారికి, భక్తవత్సలం గారికి, ఈ స్థాయికి వాడిని తీర్చిదిద్దినటువంటి లతాకు. ఎందుకంటే వీని క్రెడిట్ అంతా కూడా వాడు మా వదిన కొట్టేస్తుంది. కొంత ఆ క్రెడిట్ మా లతాకు కూడా ఇవ్వాలి. వేదిక ముందు ఆసీనులైనటువంటి మా బంధుమిత్రులకు, మా అన్న ఆత్మీయ మిత్రులకు, ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ ప్రింట్ మీడియా సోదరులకు అందరికి కూడా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు. మేము పొలిటికల్ లైఫ్లో ఉన్నందుకు ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో చాలామంది ఫ్యామిలీస్తోని అటాచ్మెంట్, వారి సమస్యలతోని కానీ, ఎమోషనల్ అటాచ్మెంట్స్ కానీ, వారి ఫీలింగ్స్ కానీ చాలా సందర్భాలలో చాలా వేదికల ద్వారా షేర్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. కానీ నాకు అర్థమైంది ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడున్నటువంటి పరిస్థితులలో తల్లిదండ్రులకు ఒక ఆలోచనతోని ఆ ఆలోచనలు అమలు చేసేయాలని చెప్పి పిల్లలపైన రుద్దటం జరుగుతుంది. దాంతో వారు అనేక ఒత్తిళ్లకు లోనై కొన్ని జరగరాని సంఘటనలకు మరి ఆ సంఘటనలకు చేసుకొని ఇటు తల్లిదండ్రులను కానీ అటు ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ కానీ బాధ పెడుతున్నటువంటి సందర్భాలు చాలా చూసినాం. కానీ ఇందులో ఉన్నటువంటి 2-3 అంశాలను చూస్తే మా పెద్దన్న గురించి చెప్పక తప్పదు, లేక మా ఫ్యామిలీ గురించి చెప్పక తప్పదు. అతను ఒక సోదరునిగా చెప్తలేను కానీ అతను అందరికి కూడా ఆదర్శం. తను చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు తల్లిదండ్రులు మెచ్చినటువంటి కుమారునిగా, పాఠశాలలో చదువుతున్నటువంటి సందర్భంలో ఒక టీచర్ మెచ్చిన స్టూడెంట్గా, లేక మిత్రులతోని ఒక మంచి మిత్రునిగా, ఆ తదుపరి కొంచెం జ్ఞానం విజ్ఞానం వచ్చిన తర్వాత కాలేజీలలో స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎదుర్కొంటున్న సమస్యలపైన ప్రాణాలు సైతం లెక్క చేయకుండా ఆ సమస్యల సాధన కోసం తను ఇంజనీరింగ్ చదువుతున్నటువంటి సందర్భంలో కూడా విద్యార్థి దశ నుంచే సమాజంలో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి అన్యాయాలపైన, విద్యార్థులకు కావాల్సినటువంటి న్యాయం పైన అనేక పోరాటాలు చేసినటువంటి విషయం తన తోటి మిత్రులకు, లేక మా సోదరుని కన్నా పెద్దున్నటువంటి వాళ్లకు తెలిసినట్టు విషయం మరోసారి చెప్పదలుచుకోలేదు. ఏదేమైనప్పటికీ తను ఉద్యోగ రీతిలో ఇప్పుడు మా మామగారు చెప్పినట్టు అప్పుడున్నటువంటి పరిస్థితులలో ఉద్యోగం వచ్చుడు కష్టం. ఉద్యోగం వచ్చినప్పటికి కూడా పబ్లిక్ హెల్త్లో ఇంజనీరింగ్ చేస్తున్న సందర్భంలో అక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి తన ఉన్నతాధికారులు కానీ కింద ఉన్నటువంటి సబార్డినేట్స్ కానీ కాంట్రాక్టర్స్ను కానీ పనిలో నాణ్యత లేక చేస్తున్న సందర్భంలో తను వ్యక్తిగతంగా చూసి మదనపడి రాజీనామాకు సిద్ధమైనటువంటి సందర్భంలో పైనుంచి ఆశీస్సులు ఇచ్చినటువంటి మా అన్నలకు అందరికి కూడా కృతజ్ఞత ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Here, Tarun and Geeta, and though I know it is Geeta's moment today, and Tarun has many more moments, all we can feel is Bhaskar Garu's presence here today. In fact, I was visualizing, had he been here, he'd probably have combed Tarun's hair, checked his dress, and then sent him inside, because that is what he would do every single day in class. Okay, now your wife does it, so that's fine. You're taken care of. Okay. Tarun was with me in class 1, and I think his father spent as much time in the school as Tarun did. He would be there every morning to drop him and every afternoon to pick him up, but before that he would check his work and ask me, "Ma'am, how was Tarun today?" And I had only one answer. Every day it was, "Tarun was very good today." And one thing, yes, I know Tarun said his father can be very firm. I have had experience with that, because he was very particular that I would spell Tarun Bhaskar Dashyam correctly. If there was even a slight mistake, all of us would have hell about it. Geeta, what can I say? She has always been more of a friend than a colleague, and she was not just Geeta ma'am to the students, but much more, and she has nurtured many a child to pursue his or her artistic talent. Tarun, if your father was the guiding force behind you, your mother has always been the gentle impetus. And now with Lata to walk beside you.
Going for the day, because I am going to take some time, so bear with me. Before I start up, I would like to honor Geeta. Is she my student? Am I her mentor? I don't know, but she is my colleague. I call upon Dr. Sarita Reddy. Please come here. Dr. Sarita Reddy, please come over here. Didi, Abhi, Sarita, you take that moment. An abstract painting that goes with the occasion. A mother, child, you can unravel, you can open it up. Geeta ji, hold, adi open chesi chupiyandi. You can. A mother, child, and father. That goes with my own abstract painting, in fact. Yeah. A little bit of a token of affection. Thank you, Sarita ji. I Dr. Madan Devi to honor Geeta. You deserve much more, but on the spur of the moment, we are all academicians. Teachers, they have a last minute input. My address, Tarun was saying that my father had lots of vices, which my mother at least today, don't be miserly with your gratitude, affection, love for. Thank you so much, please. That's it. So Geeta ji, क्या बात करें आपके बारे में, अल्फाज नहीं मिलते. We are teachers, फिर भी आज you have made us dumbfounded. Tarun was a leader to all of us. He was the president of the Osmania University Engineering College, and he didn't mince words. And those were the times when the first encounter took place. Of course, he rebelled, and then he was a rebel all the time. Unfortunately or fortunately, I don't find these rebel and militant and aggressive instincts in Tarun. Luckily or unluckily, I don't know. It is left to you. Another aspect which I would like to say that here Hyderabad की तहजीब है गंगा जमुना की, मगर हमारे KCR साहब बोलते रहते गंगा जमुना in a different context. But to tell you the truth, it is a real confluence. A girl from Tamil Nadu, Tambaram, taking upon a boy from Telangana. So the confluence of Telangana and Tamil Nadu is Tarun for you. I am telling you, it's really marriages are made in heaven. This is what makes us believe. And I can tell you that a mother is always a mother, though in English what they say is a son is a son till he gets a wife and a daughter is a daughter throughout her life. I don't get it because for Geeta, son and daughter, Tarun plays that role. I have not seen such hypersensitive guy. If he doesn't, whenever he goes out, if he doesn't call his mother, every other hour he is not happy. Every other hour he keeps on calling his mother. I don't know. Geeta ji, you're so lucky. These days, sons are caring so much for the mothers. Well, I don't know. I don't want to praise you.
హార్టీ కంగ్రాట్స్. బుక్ నేను పూర్తిగా చదవలేదు, ఇప్పుడే చూశాను. ఐ వాజ్ గోయింగ్ త్రూ ది కంటెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ దట్. ఐ కెన్ సీ మదర్హుడ్ ఇన్ దట్, ఏ మదర్ ఇన్ దట్ బేసికలీ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. ఎందుకంటే ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ ది కంటెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్, దాంట్లో ఇట్ సేస్ చైల్డ్హుడ్, ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ అండ్ బ్రింగింగ్ అప్ అండ్ ప్యాంపరింగ్, వాట్ నాట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ప్రతిది కూడా. See, only a mother can, a mom only can put this kind of words into a book అని నాకు అనిపించింది. ఐఎమ్ yet to go through this. అయితే బేసికల్గా ఆవిడ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే తరుణ్ ఒక మాట చెప్పాడు, దట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఈజ్ సఫిషియంట్. ఇట్ సేస్ మిలియన్స్. Tarun once he said how the character in Chitra character came up. He said, sir, it is generated out of my mom. See, అంతకన్నా ఏం కావాలంటే ఒక మూవీ that made such a great impact on several people's minds and which created history, and today happens to be 1 year of that movie, and that plot is generated, that thought came out of Geeta garu. I am proud to say that. ఒక తల్లిని ఇన్స్పిరేషన్గా తీసుకుని ఒక అబ్బాయి చేసిన సినిమా అది. అంతకన్నా వాట్ బెస్ట్ వర్డ్స్ ఐ హ్యావ్. అండ్ మొన్న ఒక రైటప్ రాస్తూ ఈ బుక్ గురించి తరుణ్ సెడ్ వన్ థింగ్, ఇట్ మేక్స్ మీ రైట్ బెటర్ ఉమెన్ ప్రొటాగనిస్ట్ స్టోరీస్ హియర్ ఆఫ్టర్ అని. దట్ ఈస్ అనదర్ వండర్ఫుల్ స్టేట్మెంట్. See, I don't know, Tarun, how much benefit you got out of your mom, but we are all benefited by her in the shape of one guy called Tarun Bhaskar, whom she presented us. I would very proudly say that. And Tarun వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ తోటి నాకు రిలేషన్షిప్ నాట్ నౌ 25 years నుంచి ఉంది. Since 90s, Pranay Bhaskar was my very good childhood friend. And Vinay was much younger than us. And వీళ్ళు అప్పుడు ఆ టైంకి నేను సంజీవ్ రెడ్డి నగర్ వెళ్తే I used to see Tarun. But I never imagined he was a chubby boy this much, and ఆడుకుంటూ ఉండేవాడు. I never knew that he will make me a star producer one day. Only because of him, whatever I am today, it is because of him. And I am proud to say that.
Thank you all for coming here. Andarki namaskaram and dignitaries on the stage. అందరికీ ఏం మాట్లాడాలని తెలియదు నాకు. ఇప్పుడు అన్నీ రాసినాను కానీ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ వర్డ్స్ టు సే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ స్పేరింగ్ ద టైమ్ అండ్ కమింగ్ హియర్ అండ్ మేకింగ్ దిస్ డే a very momentous one for not only me, my son and my daughter-in-law. Definitely I am lucky, I should say, because I did go through ups and downs, but then the way his father doted on him and took care of him, made me stay on and go ahead with all that he did to bring up a child like Tarun. And the book is just a copy of my experiences, and it's all very simple language, because I am a trainer and a teacher, and I go to colleges where there are juvenile home students also. So I want them also to read and comprehend. So I have written it very simple. In fact, I wanted an auto man also to be over here. He was also an inspiration for me. So he also speaks so well, and he was able to read the book too. He could not come today. Anyway, this book is not for me to, it's not an initiative for me to go on writing more and more books, but I would like many of you as parents, I want your experiences to be compiled like this as a book, and I called it Pillow Companion. I want more pillow companions from parents like all of you and many more. I don't want, it's not that I won't be writing, I will be writing, but I want more and more pillow companions to come up, because this is my angle of experiences, this is my way of telling. If not for the whole society, if not for the for a launch like this. At least let it be a pillow companion for your generation, for your children and your grandchildren. You will be having a lot of experiences and lot of things to tell your children, because you would have experienced more of cultural balance, which is of course going down now. So please, I would request you to come up with more and more books like this, just a small pillow companion of 100 pages, 120 pages, and give it as a gift to your children. Thank you so much for making me be here, and thank you so much, my son and my daughter-in-law, of course. She is a daughter to me. That is what she proved herself. From yesterday, I've been watching her. Not only from yesterday, I think for the past few days, she's been running helter-skelter to organize the show. I'm so lucky, I feel, and thank you.
To thank the media friends, more importantly, because I've seen most of you, my under heart, for coming on just one call for this event and supporting my mum. Meeku avasam lekapona gaani you've come. I'm really thankful for that.